So, one of my pet peeves, I hate eating in a vehicle. Don't mind drinking, but the eating, not so much. Well, that's cool. I like that. So yeah, back on the road again. Ah, good old truck. So far, no issues. So that's our next stop, Cache Creek, 135. So about an hour and 45 once you take into account for all the speed ups, slow downs, possible road conditions, blah, 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 yada, yada, all that jazz. It is currently 8:32. We're hitting the highway doing a nice, comfortable 120 kilometers an hour, which is pretty close to 80 miles per hour. And we're going to be doing this probably for about the next hour. It is -5 degrees Celsius, and the roads are looking in awesome shape. So, put on the cruise control, crank up the tunes, sit back and relax. Ah, the first patch of blue sky. Wow. Wonder how long it's going to last. We're definitely at the higher elevations right now. We're not at the summit between Merritt and Kamloops. But yes, this is ideal winter driving conditions. A clear road, blue sky, the sun shining. Oh yeah, bring on more of this. Well, there's one thing I forgot to get. Sunglasses. I left them in my car, and I've got like 40,000 pair in my closet. This is not good. I'm gonna have to definitely get a pair somewhere, but I ain't spending a fortune. Fashion does not have to be expensive, or it shouldn't be. Eye protection though, yeah, okay, I'm willing to pay. And there's my turn off, Cache Creek, Prince George exit. So give a little bit of brakes. They claim I should only be doing 50. Get a little lower, come on, 60. There we go, smooth. You can definitely smell like animals. This corridor between Kamloops and Cache Creek, there's definitely some cattle farms along the way, and I tell you, when it's warm out and the wind's blowing right, you definitely want to have it on recirculate for your air conditioning and your heat, depending on what time of year it is. Because even during these little warm days during the winter, yeah, I'd rather be locked in a closet with buckets full of smelling salts than that. Remember earlier when I was talking about British Columbia and all of its turnouts for bathrooms, sometimes lookouts? Yes, this is definitely one of those times I'm grateful. I will, oh, handicap. Well, I'll just walk with a limp. It's all good. It's all good. Now, this particular pullout has a major drawback. When the sun is shining, you can't really tell if somebody's coming or not. And I got lucky there. Yeah, nobody coming up. Yeah. What a view. That's the one thing I love about driving, is the view. This is Savannah. Take it all in. Okay? Got it? Good. Now, don't be greedy. Yes. Definitely need sunglasses. How long am I going to torture myself with this? I don't know. Just a quick snapshot of farming country in British Columbia. Still between Kamloops and Cache Creek. just flat with mountains. And I already passed the cows. There's some sagebrush. Excellent weather. Sign says, welcome to Cache Creek. As we're going down the hill into the town, it's looking good. Just a little touches of snow on the mountains on the way here. Town is town. I'm debating stopping off to grab sunglasses or just keep going. Well, I made the decision, I'm just going to push on through. So after Cache Creek comes Clinton, and then I believe 100-mile house. That comes before Williams Lake. Yes. So, yeah, we're going to leave this behind. We have enough traveling beverages. Gas I'm a little concerned about because I hope the gauge is actually working properly. And this 07 is old school enough where you don't have a distance to empty. All you have is the gas gauge, and then once you hit the little reserve part, which is about 40 kilometers left, then the little, hi, you need gas light comes on. So, and I really do not want to put that to the test. And here we are, 70 kilometers an hour, going to drop to 50 as we roll into Clinton. Right now it is 10:22 local, claimed to be, wow, 9 degrees on the plus side. Wow. We left Cache Creek at 10:01. I forgot to mention that. Yeah, Clinton's a sleepy little village, which you don't really see advertised around here. Usually it's the city or municipal district of, or this is the main drag into Clinton. Lots of historic buildings from, I think, the Gold Rush period, like the 1860s, 1890s. Lots of churches and former churches. Sleepy. If you want a slower pace of life, I think this is definitely the place to check off a list or add to a list. I don't know, make a list, put it in there somewhere. Shadow. Love the shadow. Love the shadow. Some road trip advice. Don't be stuck in the vehicle the whole time. Take advantage of any rest stop you can find to get out, stretch your legs, and just soak in the scenery. Yes, the frosted beauty of winter. Okay, I'm good. Let's go.